Cearclór, díoghuit agus fáilte go dtí an rang inniu. Tá mid ag dul aráig leis an aimseir argam leis an Aidiacht Shealbhach. Okay, an Aidiacht Shealbhach. So, sa rang deranach in the last class, rinnemer an Aidiacht Shealbhach, buske a hain, buske a dó, agus buske a trí. Okay, so mo, do, a, or voor a. My, your, his, hers, our, year, and their. Okay, so buske hain, feckin to mo, do, a, buske do, huascamóg, di, huascamóg, a, agus a, leishévu. Okay, uru, or voor a. Buske trí, fog martha, leave it as is. They are not going to take any shavus, nílain shavu, agus nílain uru. Okay, then, and show, okay, so just to show you there, buske hain, so any words, any nouns, beginning on B, C, D, G, M, P, S, agus T, shin buske hain. So they follow those really there. Buske do, agus buske trí. Okay, agus an shin rinnemer na ceistena an shin, A, B, agus C. Okay, an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. Now, anish bawatlam fécin der an seo. So scríb an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. So we're going to stick to the buske hain agus a do, okay, and then asterisk. Okay, so buske hain, mo coplayer, what are we going to do here? If it's buske hain, well, it's mo plus H, okay, and so on. Okay, so buske hain, buske do, and then asterisk, so scríb as Gaeilge, my house, his dog, our chair, their food. Okay, be cuaramach, and we'll shavu, no one will uru, or is it just leave it as is? Okay, now, nuair atá tú críochnaithe le sin, fake our Socrative. Now, instead of Adam Gaeilge, we have a different one, so don't mind that. So let's have a look at Socrative. Cad é Socrative? Socrative is an app that is on your iPad, and there you see it there, Socrative, top left. Okay, so log out, because this is what you'll have to put in, is Gaeilge, GCC. Okay, and that'll bring you in. Okay, scríb into Adam, and away you go. Okay, so it's sort of quiz atá an seo, okay, just to see how you're getting on. So do coplayer. So what do we do with that? Okay, A, B, C, no D. Well, it's do, so the coplayer is A. Okay, so D, agus and H. But what about B? That's mo coplayer, so no. The go player, le uru, no. We'd only use our urus for or, vor, agus a. And then D, the coplayer. Okay, so nílain shavu, so it's A. So right answer? Correct. Okay, ceart. Okay, I'm taking to a shin. Okay, now if you need to split your screen, you can do that. So you could have this guy here open beside you. Okay, and just be checking it if you need to. Okay, yeah, sauce the shin a pian. Yeah, ain't okay. And away you go. Okay, so Dane on quiz, Dane Socrative Uruwan, do it once. And then if you think you could do it better the next time, try and beat your own score and see what the highest score you can get is going to be there. Okay? Go híntaach. Slán go fóill agus go nairi leat.